Akhil Srivastava teaching you maths of class 9th. Lines and angles chapter 6. Angle sum property of a triangle. Angle sum property of triangle. The interior angle sum of any triangle is always 180. So it is a theorem 6.7 given in the book. The sum of the angles of a triangle is 180. Two right angle are supplementary. How will you prove it? Then given triangle ABC, we'll draw the triangle. To prove angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. For this proof, you will take the construction. In examination, sometimes the questions will be given. Prove that the interior angle sum is 180. Then you start from here given. To prove A plus B plus C 180. Draw the figure. Construction. Draw a line XY through A. So I have written XAY parallel to BC. XAY parallel to BC through A. You are drawing a line. Now because XY is parallel to BC and AB is a transversal, then angle 1 is equal to angle 2Y because of alternate interior angle. Next portion, XY is also parallel to BC but another transversal AC. So angle 3 is equal to angle 4. It is also pair of alternate interior angle. Because it is a straight line, so sum of all these three angles will be 180. Here you can write XAY is a line, so sum of angle 1 plus BAC plus 3 equal to 180 by straight angle. By first, second and third, at the place of 1 you can write 2, at the place of 3 you can write 4, at the place of BAC you write BAC. You are getting 2 plus angle BAC plus angle 4 is equal to 180. So 2's name is B here in the book, 4 name is C, and this is a angle which is BAC. So angle B plus A plus C is equal to 180 degree. Hence proved. Another theorem is given on the exterior angle property. Any line produced in the triangle, it is also a theorem. If any triangle produced, side of a triangle is produced, it is a CA, AB, CB, BC. Any line produced, then one angle will be formed. This side produced, then here also this side angle formed. It is produced, then here angle formed. CA produced, then here all the angle, any one. Suppose here BC is produced to D, then angle formed which is called exterior angle ACD. Always sum of the opposite interior angle, except this opposite interior angle. So here in triangle ABC, BC is produced to D. To prove angle ACD is equal to angle A plus angle B. Because it is here C, so C you not take, other two angles. If here A, here you are getting, then B plus C. Now, because BD is a line, then what about 3 plus 4? 180 by linear pair. In triangle ABC, what is the sum of interior angle of a triangle? ASPT, angle sum property of triangle. ASPT, angle sum property of triangle. It is given in class 7th also. 1 plus 2 plus 3, 180. Equation first right side is also 180. Equation second right side is also 180. So you will get by first and second LHS equal to LHS. 3 plus 4 equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3. 3 cancel. What is angle 4 equal to angle 1 plus T. 4 name is angle ACD. 1 is angle A. 2 is angle B. Hence proved. Here example is given in the book. One example is given in the book. You are seeing here it is a figure given. Example 1. 7th example, PQR is a triangle like this. One more example, example number 8 is also given. Two examples given here. Angle 7 is, example 7 is given. In triangle PQR, QT is perpendicular. In triangle PQR, QT is perpendicular and these angles are given. Find X and Y. Figure is given. x and y. So in triangle QTR, you see that it is given 90 degree. This angle is 40 degree. So in this triangle, by ASPT you can get x or not. So by ASPT, 40 plus Q plus this plus x is equal to 180. Here it is 40, it is 90. I am putting here and solving. X is equal to 50 degree. X 30 and y has a relation. It is a like this. You are getting a side. Here it is exterior angle. Y is exterior angle. Here you are getting 30 degree. Here you are getting x. So y is exterior angle. So what will you get? Y equal to 30 plus x. Sum of exterior angle is sum of opposite interior. So y will be 50 plus 30, 80 degree. So two answers you are getting, x and y. Example number 8 is given. ABC, two lines produced to E. Two lines of triangle is produced to E and D. In this, BO and CO are the angle bisector. BO and CO are the angle bisector. You want to prove angle BOC, this angle. This angle is equal to 90 minus half of this. Here, in triangle figure I have drawn here. First of all, BOC you want to given to prove. Angle 1 is equal to half CBE and 2 is half BCD. Where is 1? 1 is here. I am taking in triangle BOC. One angle is 1 and angle is 2. So 1 is half of this full angle and 2 is the half of this full angle, because it is given in the question. Now in triangle BOC you want BOC. So angle BOC, sum of all these angles will be 180 by ASPT, angle sum property of triangle. So BOC will be what? 180 minus 1 plus 2. 1 is half of this, 2 is half of this. 1 is half of this full, 2 is half of this full. So at the place of 1 you can write half CBE and 2 you write half BCD. These angles I am letting XYZ. So 180 half is common. CBE is the exterior angle. So it is equal to the opposite interior x plus z. At the place of CBE you can write x plus z. Here I have written. And angle BCD you can write x plus y. Exterior angle property. So here x plus y plus z. Arrange one. These all the three you are getting this. It is again you are getting at angle of triangle ABC. In triangle ABC you apply ASPT, you are getting 180 here. Then half x plus 180, open the bracket, half x minus plus minus half into 180, 90. 180 minus 90, 90. 90 minus half x, you are getting BOC. BOC you are getting 90 minus half x. X means BAC. What is x? X means BAC. So at the place of x you write BAC, and this you want to prove. This angle is the half 90 minus half of this angle. So here you have proved. Hence proved. That's all for today. And the exercise 6.3 I will explain in the next lecture. Thanks.